Want to increase your restaurant sales by over $350,000 in a year? It's possible, and it's not as hard as you might think. Many restaurant owners are already doing this with simple, smart strategies using AI tools. Today, I'm gonna show you how AI can help your restaurant grow and attract more customers. Stick around, this could be the change your business needs in 2026. These strategies are designed to help you learn how your competitors get customers and use that to your advantage. Bring in hundreds of customers every month without spending money on ads. These tips have worked for real restaurants, and I'm excited to show you how it can work for you too. Now, let's dive in how AI can make this happen. Tip number 1. Spy on competitors with AI. Imagine if you could instantly see how your competitors are attracting customers. What dishes are the most popular? How are they getting noticed online? What's working for them and what's not? AI can answer all these questions for you. For example, Cosi Bar Ristorante, which serves authentic Italian dishes, use AI to analyze their competitors and uncover strategies they weren't using. They discovered that some competitors were getting more customers because they were ranking higher on Google and had stronger social media engagement. With this information, Cosi Bar made a few key changes, adding better photos to their menu, improving their website, and getting more positive reviews. And they saw their revenue increase by 33%. This strategy is like having a secret map that shows you how to beat your competitors. AI can track your competitors' performance in real time, so you know exactly what they're doing well and where they're lacking. You can use that data to improve your restaurant strategy and get ahead of them. Let's break this down further with another example. Panza Piena Catering is a catering business that brings authentic Italian flavors to Melbourne. They used AI to check what other catering businesses were doing. They noticed the competitor weren't making the most of their online menu on their Google business profile. So Panza Piena took action, fixed these areas, and saw a 20% increase in inquiries within the first months. This kind of competitive research allows you to stay ahead and adjust quickly, all without spending a cent on ads. The key is to use AI to monitor your competitors and make informed decisions. Tip number 2. Get hundreds of new customers every month without ads. What if you could get hundreds of new customers every month without spending a single dollar on ads? That's where AI-driven SEO comes in. This strategy focuses on improving your restaurant online presence so that your local customers can easily find you when they're searching for food like yours. Let's look at Vaporetto and Eatery, which serves delicious, authentic Italian dishes. Vaporetto used AI to optimize their Google business profile and their website. By focusing on local SEO, Vaporetto made sure they appeared in local searches for keywords like best Italian food near me and authentic pasta in Melbourne. They didn't spend much on ads at the beginning, but their increase in search visibility brought a 63% increase in revenue. AI tools can help you choose the best keywords, things like tasty pasta in Fitzroy or family-friendly Italian restaurants near me. By using AI to rank higher on Google, you can attract new customers who are searching for food just like yours. Another example is Piccolino Pizza in Fitzroy North. Before optimizing their website, they weren't showing up where people were searching for Italian restaurants in Fitzroy. After working on their SEO with the help of AI, Piccolino saw their revenue increase by 58%. Local SEO is crucial in 2026 as more and more customers use Google to find restaurants. The good news is AI can help you optimizing your website, Google business profile, and local listings. This allows you to target customers who are already searching for food like yours, bringing you hundreds of new customers every month. Easy tip: make sure your restaurant is on Google Maps and that your menu is online. Many people search for restaurants when they're on the go, and you want to make it easy as possible for them to find you when they're searching online. Tip number 3. The power of Google Business Profile Management. One of the easiest and most effective tools restaurant owners can use is the Google Business Profile. And optimized Google Business Profiles help you show up when people search for restaurant in your area. and it's free. And that's one of the first things customers will see when they look for a restaurant like yours. Cucinetta, for example, used artificial intelligence to optimize their Google business profile, and the results were impressive. They saw a 31% increase in revenues, along with 188% increase in phone calls and bookings. This happened because the GBP was optimized with the right photos, keywords, and reviews. Optimizing GBP with artificial intelligence is a great way to make sure you're visible when people search for restaurants like yours in your area. It's not just about showing up on Google, it's turning those clicks into real customers. AI can help you improve your GBP by adding the best keywords, uploading high-quality photos, and encouraging customers to leave reviews. There you have it. As we've seen these examples from Cosi Bar Ristorante, Vaporetto, Piccolino and Cucinetta, AI is a game changer for restaurant owners and marketing in 2026. Whenever you spy on competitors, using SEO to attract new customers, or optimizing your Google business profile, AI makes it easier to grow your restaurant without spending a fortune on ads. Now, I'm curious to know if you implemented any of those strategies for your restaurant, and if they work for you. Comment below, I'll reply to all of them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly tips how to grow your restaurant online in 2026. And ciao for now, I'll see you next week.